In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a blur to focus text effect in Premiere. To begin, I just added a video with some text to my timeline. Alright, let's start by heading over to the Effects panel and typing Gaussian Blur into the search box. Drag the effect onto your text layer. Now go up to Effect Controls. For the text layer in here, we're going to start by adjusting the text opacity so that our text fades in. Move the time head to the start of the clip. Make sure the opacity stopwatch button is turned on, and then change the opacity value to 0. To create a starting keyframe, drag the time head a little past its current position and change the opacity to 100 to create the ending keyframe. Okay, now that we have our fade, let's add the blur. Move the time, head to the start of your clip. Change the blurriness to 100 and click the stopwatch toggle to create your starting keyframe. Since we want our text to come out of the blur and into focus right when it's finished fading in, we're going to want the time head at the location of our opacity's ending keyframe. Go up to the opacity property and click the right arrow next to the blue keyframe button to move the time head to the opacity second keyframe. Now, when we scroll back down to the blur in its property, the time head is positioned in the right place. Change the blurriness is value to 0 to create your ending keyframe. Alright, and now when I play this back, we have a nice text blurred to focus effect in Premiere. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.